Good evening, you are watching the market update. I'm here with a quick and clear wrap of today's action from Dalal Street. Indian equity markets closed sharply lower for the fifth straight session today, as caution continued to dominate investor sentiment. The Nifty slipped below the 25,700 mark, with markets staying under pressure ahead of a key US Supreme Court ruling on the legality of American tariffs. Markets did try to open on a positive note, but that early bounce did not last long. Within minutes of the opening bell, selling pressure returned and indices moved decisively lower. Investors were kept on edge by continuous selling by foreign institutional investors, a lack of global indications, and stable crude oil prices. Sector-wise, auto and consumer durables stocks led the losses, while energy, IT and PSU bank stocks managed to buck the trend and closed higher. At the close, the BSE Sensex dropped 605 points, or 0.72%, to 83,576. The Nifty 50 fell 194 points, or 0.75%, to end at 25,683. Over the last 5 trading sessions, the Sensex has lost more than 2.5%, while the Nifty is down around 2.45%, highlighting the sustained selling pressure. Among the major drags on the market today were ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finance and HDFC Bank. The broader markets underperformed the benchmark indices. The mid-cap index fell nearly 1%, while the small-cap index declined close to 1.75%. Market breadth remained weak. On the BSE, over 3,100 shares declined, while just above 1,000 stocks advanced. Volatility also picked up slightly, with the India VIX rising over 3% to 10.93, reflecting continued nervousness among investors. In global indicators, the US dollar index moved higher, adding to pressure on emerging markets. Now, a look at stocks in focus. Indian Energy Exchange shares slumped sharply after the company clarified that recent media reports on the market coupling case were based on a routine hearing, with no fresh order passed. Elecon Engineering saw heavy selling after its quarterly profit declined sharply despite a modest rise in revenue. JSW Steel edged higher after reporting a year-on-year increase in steel production for the December quarter. Power Grid Corporation slipped slightly after emerging as the successful bidder for a major transmission project in Karnataka. Brahmaputra Infrastructure gained after receiving a letter of acceptance for work related to the new legislature complex in Jammu. BHEL moved higher after announcing a large order win worth around 5,400 crore rupees. Highway Infrastructure advanced after securing a contract from the National Highways Authority of India. On the downside, Ravindra Energy and Indo-Tech Transformers slipped following fresh order-related updates. In other key developments, Mech Projects gained after securing a large battery energy storage system order worth over 3,100 crore rupees in West Bengal, marking a significant push in the energy storage space. Meanwhile, data from AMFI showed that the Indian mutual fund industry saw a net outflow of over 66,000 crore rupees in December, as redemptions remained higher than fresh investments. And finally, an IPO update. The Bharat Coking Coal IPO received a strong response on its opening day, with the issue subscribed nearly 8 times so far. The IPO will remain open for bidding until 13th January, with a price band of 21 rupee to 23 rupee per share. That's all from the markets for now. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening, and stay tuned for more updates.